Okay, how to make strawberry shortcakes. So you need strawberries. You also need sugar and flour, baking powder, cold butter, which is here, milk, and vanilla. They want vanilla extract. I only have vanilla powder, so I'm going to go with vanilla powder. And then, of course, cream to make the whipped cream. So the first step is to mix together the sugar and the strawberries. I'm going to put in 6 tablespoons of sugar. And you're just going to mix that sugar together with the strawberries. There you go. You see it's getting all chunky. And basically I'm just going to leave it on the side to what they call macerate. So there's going to be some kind of nice chemical reaction while I prepare the shortcakes. So in a separate bowl, I am putting in the flour, baking powder, and sugar. So here I'm going to put the powder, the baking powder, and then I'm going to put in 1.5 cups of flour. Okay. And then I'll put in a little bit more of sugar, but not too much. Okay, I just whisk it together really quickly. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, so here what we have is the attempt to break in the butter, the cold butter, about 1/3 cup into small pieces. I'm putting it into the flour, just making it into coarse crumbs. Yes, that should be enough. Then wash off my hands really quickly because now they're all buttery. And then I need to put in the milk and the vanillas. The vanilla, since I'm just using the powder, I don't have to measure it in. It says for the extract 1/2 teaspoon. I'm just going to put a few dashes of the vanilla powder in because I'm not a big fan of the acidic taste. Okay, and now I'm going to put the milk in. And for the milk, I need 1/2 cup cold milk. So I'm just going to measure 1/2 cup. So not a lot. Okay. And then pouring it in, just combining it. Just stirring it. It's not going to be liquidy. It's going to be pretty sticky. Okay. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will actually take a big spoon and I will take this mixture, this flour mixture, and drop 4 equal piles onto an ungreased baking sheet. I am going to bake it in the oven from 12 to 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. Okay, they don't look super even. They're different sizes, but let's go with it. So I'm sticking it in the oven. Now I'm going to make the whipped cream, and that's going to be with the cream, sugar, and a little bit more of vanilla. So I've whipped it, so now it looks really nice, and it's ready to top on the shortcakes when they come out of the oven. Here we have the shortcakes browning nicely. Still got another 5 minutes to go on here. And both the whipped cream and the strawberries are now ready. So when the shortcakes are ready, I'll take them out on the rack and let them cool for a little while. Then I'll split them in half and put in the strawberries and the whipped cream. So these are my not so attractive looking baked shortcakes, but all that matters is inside, so I'm going to let them cool. The total baking time in the oven was 15 minutes, and now I will let them cool for a few more. So I split it in half, put the strawberries and the whipped cream in there, and there's my first strawberry shortcake. Voila!